Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I am presenting this Range Rover Velar 2-litre D200 Edition. This Velar is finished in the very sleek Santorini Black and comes sitting on the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Also coming equipped with the black exterior pack, gloss black roof rails and privacy glass, giving that ultimate finish. Your every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry, and moving straight inside we've got some great features on the door card, including the memory seat configuration and Meridian surround sound system. Into the front we have the Ebony Leather electric front seats, and there's a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We have voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated, and ahead is your driver's display. This Velar comes with a very well presented dashboard with two touchscreens. On the first one we have your climate controls, heated front seats and vehicle drive modes, and on the second one we have the rear camera, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and much more. Continuing into the back of the vehicle, we have that leather interior again. Really nice amount of space for your rear passengers and the rear vents to ensure they are comfortable at all times. This Velar comes with a fantastic amount of boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping, and also does feature the power tailgate, making access in and out very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Velar, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.